The largest threat facing U.S. federal government networks today is how to keep pace with the continuously evolving cybersecurity threats to its many networks. There are new zero-day exploits being uncovered every day. New system and application vulnerabilities are constantly posted that require IT organizations to evaluate and apply them against their networks to keep them secure. The need to move from legacy networks to modern network solutions while ensuring security of data is a Herculean effort. The U.S. federal IT organizations, as well as commercial companies globally, are struggling to obtain and maintain the expertise necessary to help them address these challenges. Dell Technologies was established with the vision of meeting the security needs of all these challenges with our Better Together products, solutions, and services. We are going to walk through some examples of the products, services, and solutions the companies under the Dell Technologies umbrella can provide, and how they complement each other to help customers with their cybersecurity transformation. Dell and Dell EMC developed hardware and software solutions provide industry-leading endpoint and data center technology. They also boast some of the strongest security technology and capabilities on the market today. As an example, Dell Client Solutions, teamed with Dell Client Command Suite and Dell Endpoint Security Suite, provide similar security and control functions as Dell PowerEdge Server Data Center Solutions, coupled with Dell EMC OpenManage Enterprise and data protection products. These features and technologies include Dell-developed BIOS solutions with secure boot technology, data at rest encryption, and the capability to centrally manage assets. Dell EMC continues to develop its products with the goals of ensuring its technology and features can help customers meet a NIST cybersecurity framework. VMware is a global leader in cloud infrastructure and digital workspace technology that accelerates digital transformation for evolving IT environments. They provide highly secure virtualization solutions like Workspace ONE, which combines simplicity with enterprise-grade access and security to deliver a seamless end-user workspace experience. This is achieved through its digital workspace, which provides unified endpoint management, application management, and Windows Delivery Access Management. VMware vCenter is another example, as it provides a centralized management application that lets you manage virtual machines and ESXi hosts centrally. This includes the extensive security capabilities of VMware solutions to include the capabilities to implement published disastigs for its applicable products. One of the biggest challenges facing U.S. federal customers is handling legacy applications. Pivotal can provide consulting and development services to assist customers in assessing those applications and figuring out how to redevelop them for a cloud-based platform. At the core of Pivotal's development practice is their implementation of the 3 R's for cloud-native security. These practices ensure that security isn't only a consideration of a development, but followed on after deployment as part of the lifecycle. U.S. federal customers must balance the value of cloud solutions and hosting against their security and data control requirements. Private clouds are an attractive solution that balances these values for some government data solutions. VirtuStream has provided proven private cloud solutions for U.S. federal customers with the most stringent compliance and security requirements. They have developed the Trust Center as a keystone of their private cloud development practice to ensure they meet the current and future customer needs around security, data protection, and compliance. Cybersecurity as a service is a rapidly expanding practice. As customers realize they can't maintain expertise with the latest cybersecurity threats, they are turning to customers who have these services as a core focus of their business. SecureWorks can provide U.S. federal customers with the security consulting to help them assess the various elements of a cybersecurity practice and application for their networks, and can provide guidance on gaps, development of a stronger framework, and enhancements to operational practices. Additionally, SecureWorks can also provide managed services for key areas of cybersecurity delivery. RSA is often recognized for their leading development of cryptographic technology. These technologies are adopted industry-wide as components of many industry solutions today. RSA also provides cybersecurity solutions to help customers manage all aspects of their cybersecurity framework, to include access controls, management and monitoring, identification and response, as well as fraud prevention. Now let's talk about how these solutions and these companies can work better together, right? So SecureWorks can work with your IT teams and IA departments to assess your current cybersecurity framework. They can identify gaps for improvement and work with the customer and Dell EMC professional services to implement technologies to strengthen your framework to decrease the cybersecurity risks and the impacts of those breaches. This new learned technology and practices can bolster the pillars of the cybersecurity framework that the customer has in place. Another example of better together would be working with a U.S. federal customer to assess their legacy data center needs to develop roadmaps to move their applications and data sets to the appropriate solution to meet compliance and data control needs. As an example, Pivotal can work with a customer on application development for legacy application movement to the cloud. VirtuStream can work to help customers with private cloud development for U.S. federal controlled services and hosting. And then Dell EMC Professional Services can work with the customer to help with modern data center design, implementation, and data migration planning. VMware's leading-edge virtualization and security products can be applied both in the public, private, and modern data center. As you can see, Dell Technologies' service products and solutions can be combined to work better together to address security across a customer's goals to drive security transformation. Each of the companies plays a role in addressing a solution and security set for each of the building blocks of modern IT. And SecureWorks and RSA can be used to provide security transformation guidance and technologies to fill in the gaps between those blocks to ensure an overall secure infrastructure.